Nice move by Richie, just bullying Mike Di Gregorio.
Rivero, sneaky layup is good and one.
Ooh, favorite move, Richie step. Richie just dancing. Great footwork, great ball fakes.
Richie with a crossover. Rivero hangs midair and bangs it home.
Good move by Richie. So good at putting the brakes. Goes fast, slows
He's
down.
got his favorite Euro step moves, or even Pinoy step right there. He'll use everything in his book.
Richie, nice move.
And one for Richie Rivero.
Richie steals it. Gonna go up for this highlight two-handed reverse dunk by Richie Rivero.
Richie Paulo Uy Rivero, o mas kilala bilang si Richie Rivero. Si Richie ay pinanganak noong May 25, 1998 sa Ilagan, Isabela Province. Lumaki si Richie sa isang pamilyang mahilig sa basketball. Ang tatay at mga kuya niya ay mga basketball players. Kaya dito rin siya kumuha ng inspirasyon upang tahakin at simulan ang paglalaro ng basketball. Sa high school, naglaro si Richie Rivero para sa LaSalle Green Hills. Isa sa kanyang highlight dito ay noong pinangunahan ni Richie ang LaSalle Green Hills sa Final Four noong NCAA Season 91. Sa time na yon, siya ay may average na 25.4 points, 8.8 rebounds, 2.8 assists, 2.8 steals, at 1.9 blocks per game. Despite of Richie's monster performance, hindi siya nakakuha ng anumang individual award dahil sa isang one-game suspension. Nevertheless, siya pa rin ay isa sa mga top high school recruits sa bansa at almost maglaro ng college basketball sa US bago pinili ang DLSU or De La Salle University. Nag-compete rin si Richie sa 2015 FIBA 3x3 Under-18 World Championship sa Hungary kasama si Kobe Paras, Mike Nieto at Richard Escoto. Si Richie Rivero ay isa ding online sensation, gaining thousands of followers on his social media accounts. He was also the most tweeted athlete in the Philippines last 2017. Si Richie ay nag-gain ng popularity since then, not just because of his looks but also in the sports community dahil sa kanyang mga highlights and elite skill set. Standing at 6'1", LaSalle Green Hills standout Richie Rivero has officially committed to the De La Salle Green Archers. Sa UAAP Season 79 ay ang rookie season ni Richie kung saan nagwagi agad siya ng championship with DLSU. Kasama niya dito ang kanyang kuya na si Prince Rivero at iba pang key players tulad nina Ben Imbala, Jeron Teng at Aljon Melesio. Sa kanyang sophomore season sa DLSU, nag-average si Richie ng 14.1 points, 5.4 rebounds, 1.9 assists, and 1.7 steals per game. Nanalo si Richie ng Most Improved Player Award and also he is part of the mythical team. Richie lead the Green Archers patungo sa finals, but suddenly in the Game 3, natalo sila against Ateneo Blue Eagles. Siya rin ay naging bahagi ulit ng national team sa ilalim ng Gilas and praised for his performance sa 3x3 Under-23 World Cup noong 2018. Pero noong January 2018, he was cut from the squad along with the older brother, Prince Rivero, and reserve Brent Paraiso. Sabi ng DLSU, ang kanyang suspension from the team was due to his endorsement deals, which is nagkaproblema sa rules and policies ng team. In April, he announced on Twitter that he would exit the LaSalle Green Archers. In May 2018, Richie Rivero announced via Twitter that he would be joining the UP Fighting Maroons. Due to the UAAP's eligibility rules, Rivero was required to redshirt Season 81, meaning nito na kailangan iupo ni Richie ang entire season and could not participate sa mga official games ng UAAP for Season 81. In Season 82, the UP Fighting Maroons ay mayroon ng Richie na eligible to play and ready na for the season. The UP Fighting Maroons advanced to the semifinals of the UAAP basketball tournament, pero they faced a tough matchup against the UST Growling Tigers led by Renz Abando at hindi na nakasecure ng spot sa finals dahil sa pagkatalo, ending their championship bid for that season. Despite receiving offers to play overseas in Japan, Richie Rivero remained committed to playing for UP in Season 84. Ang desisyong ito ay naging mahalaga dahil si Richie ay isa sa mga key players ng Fighting Maroons patungo sa kanilang championship run sa UAAP Finals. kung saan natalo nila ang Ateneo Blue Eagles in their Game 3 do-or-die matchup, winning the championship in that season. The season 84 marked a historic achievement for the team, and Richie's contributions on the court ay malaking bahagi din ng kanilang success. Fresh from winning a championship with the UP, on June 24, si Richie Rivero ay pumirma sa Taiwan's P-League team na Taoyuan Pilots. Pero, ang kanyang game debut ay na-cancel due to a jumper's knee injury suffered during his final season with UP. Despite hopes for recovery, ang kanyang right ankle sprain during preseason ay mas lalong pinalala ang kanyang kondisyon at nagudyo kay Richie na mag-request na lamang na i-release na lang siya ng kanyang team para magpagaling ng gusto. After an aborted stint in Taiwan, Richie Rivero returns to the 3x3 scene. On February 15, 2023, si Richie ay pumirma ng short-term deal with the Blackwater Bossings at sinamahan ng kanyang kuya na si Prince Rivero. Pero, maikli lang kanyang stint dito dahil patapos na din naman ang season ng PBA 3x3 that time. In September 2023, si Richie ay sumali sa PBA Season 48 draft kung saan he was selected with the 17th overall pick by the Phoenix Super LPG Fuel Masters.
LPG Fuel Masters select Richie Rivero.
Picking up Richie Rivero. One guy Coach Topex has been waiting for.
At noong October 2, umirma si Richie ng 2-year rookie contract with the team. In his game debut in the PBA Commissioner's Cup against NLEX Road Warriors, nagtala si Richie ng 15 points and 4 rebounds at nagresulta din ito sa isang panalo.
Roger, he's in the game. And it's with Williams. Now it's with Richie. Richie reverse and knocking it down.
I really like the evolution.
Oh, wow.
He wanted to get it.
Naging spark of the bench si Richie ng Phoenix and his average in the PBA Commissioner's Cup was 6.2 points, 1.5 rebounds, and almost 1 assist per game, shooting 42% on the field and 21.2% beyond the arc in 22 minutes of playing time, showing his flashy moves and scoring ability in that conference. Currently in the PBA Philippine Cup, Richie improved his stats slightly in his first 7 games, with an average of 10.3 points, 2.1 rebounds, and 1.6 assists per game, shooting 38% from the field and 15% at the 3-point line in 18 minutes per game, continuing to prove himself in the league. Napabilang din bilang All-Star si Richie ngayong taon at naglaro sa Bacolod PBA All-Star. Richie Rivero is not only known for his good looks, but also for his impressive basketball moves. Isa sa kanyang go-to moves ay ang Eurostep, at isa din si Richie sa mga nagpasimuno ng tinatawag na Pinoy Step. Pero ano nga ba ang Pinoy Step? Ito ay isang move kung saan ang offensive player ay humihinto sa pag-dribble at aakmang titira sa rim. At once na kumagat sa fake ang bantay, ay magdadrive ang offensive player patungo sa basket using legal step to make the shot. Richie became known for this move while playing college basketball for the LaSalle Green Archers at ngayon pa din naman sa PBA. Despite of the outside basketball issues and injury setbacks, Richie Rivero never gave up on his talent in basketball. Pinipili pa din niyang magpatuloy at mag-strive sa kanyang basketball career, and we're hoping that Richie will grow and find success in his PBA career.